All right, let's play a little game. Think of two simple things, ordinary things you probably have in your home right now. Now imagine those two things aren't just ordinary, but hold incredible, almost magical benefits for your skin, hair, health, and even your overall well-being. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? But it's not, because today we're talking about castor oil and coconut oil, a duo that's really powerful. Now, castor oil has been used for ages. It's thick, rich, and packed with something called ricinoleic acid, which is responsible for its powerful moisturizing and healing properties. It's like nature's little secret for hydration and repair. Coconut oil, on the other hand, is lighter, more versatile, and smells like a tropical escape. It's filled with medium-chain triglycerides and lauric acid, making it an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and all-around multitasker. But the real magic happens when you combine them. It's like pairing peanut butter with jelly. They just bring out the best in each other. Let me show you how. Let's start with what these oils can do for your skin, because let's be honest, who doesn't want skin that glows like it's lit from within? Castor oil is thick and luxurious, almost like honey. It dives deep into your skin, pulling in moisture and holding it there. Imagine your skin being wrapped in a cozy, hydrating blanket on a chilly day. That's what castor oil does. Coconut oil, meanwhile, is like a silky veil, adding softness and a subtle glow while sealing in all that goodness. Together, they create the ultimate moisture bomb. Try this. Before you go to bed, mix equal parts castor oil and coconut oil, warm them slightly in your palms, and gently massage them into your skin. It feels like a mini spa treatment right at home. And you'll wake up with skin so soft, you'll wonder why you didn't try this sooner. But hydration is just the beginning. Castor oil is a superstar when it comes to healing. Its ricinoleic acid promotes cell regeneration, which means it can help your skin repair itself faster. Have you got a small cut or a dry patch that won't go away? Dab on some castor oil mixed with coconut oil, and you've got a natural antibacterial remedy that's gentle and effective. Your grandmother may have used this trick whenever you had scrapes as kids. Back then, people thought it was just an old-fashioned remedy, but we now know it's pure science. And speaking of science, let's talk about anti-aging. No one can stop time, but we can definitely give our skin a little help along the way. Castor oil boosts collagen production, which is like scaffolding for your skin. It keeps everything firm and plump. Coconut oil adds antioxidants to the mix, fighting off those pesky free radicals that speed up aging. Here's a tip. Warm a few drops of the oils in your hands, press them gently into your skin every night, and let the oils do their magic while you sleep. You'll wake up looking and feeling refreshed. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oils on acne? No way. But trust me on this one. Castor oil has antibacterial properties that tackle the bacteria causing breakouts, while coconut oil reduces redness and soothes inflammation. It's a dynamic duo for those pesky pimples that pop up at the worst times. Try this. Take a cotton swab, dip it into your oil mixture, and gently dab it onto the affected area before bed. You'll notice the difference in just a few days. All right, let's move on to hair care. Imagine having thick, shiny hair that flows like a waterfall in one of those shampoo commercials. That's the kind of transformation castor oil and coconut oil can bring to your hair. Castor oil is famous for promoting hair growth. Its thick consistency and high nutrient content nourish your scalp and strengthen hair follicles, giving your hair the foundation it needs to grow longer and stronger. Coconut oil adds hydration and protects your scalp, keeping dandruff and dryness at bay. We recommend warming up a mix of these oils, massaging it into your scalp for about 10 minutes, and then wrapping your hair in a warm towel. Leave it overnight if you can, or at least for a few hours. Do this twice a week, and you'll start to see results that'll make you want to toss your hair around like a movie star. But the benefits don't stop there. If your hair feels dry or brittle, especially at the ends, this combination works as a deep conditioner. Coat your hair from root to tip, focusing on the ends, and leave it in for 30 minutes. Rinse it out with shampoo, and your hair will feel like you just stepped out of a salon. And if you're battling dandruff, mix in a drop of tea tree oil with your castor and coconut oil blend. Massage it into your scalp, and you'll say goodbye to those pesky flakes in no time. Now let's step away from beauty for a moment and dive into health. Did you know castor oil can aid digestion? It's a natural laxative, stimulating your bowels and relieving occasional constipation. Pair it with coconut oil, which soothes the gut and promotes healthy bacteria, and you've got a gentle yet effective remedy for digestive discomfort. Of course, always check with a healthcare provider before trying this. Coconut oil is also amazing for boosting your immune system, thanks to its lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties. Together, these oils are like a little health tonic for your insides. If you struggle with joint pain or inflammation, these oils can help. Both castor oil and coconut oil have anti-inflammatory properties that soothe aches and pains. Warm the oils, massage them into the affected area, and you'll feel a natural sense of relief. This trick has been a lifesaver for sufferers on those cold days when everything feels stiff and achy. And here's something you might not have expected. These oils can enhance your oral and eye care routines. Oil pulling with coconut oil is a game changer for oral health. It whitens teeth, freshens breath, and detoxifies your mouth. Add a drop of castor oil, and you'll amp up its antibacterial power. And for tired eyes, these oils are incredible. Castor oil soothes dryness, while coconut oil reduces puffiness. Just a dab around your eyes before bed works wonders. Let's not forget the little things that make a big difference. Whether you're dealing with stretch marks, scars, or dry cuticles, this oil blend can help. Massage it into stretch marks daily to improve elasticity, or use it to strengthen brittle nails. You can even create a natural lip balm by mixing the oils and storing them in a tiny jar. The possibilities are endless. And finally, for those days when you just need to relax, these oils can be your best friends. Add a few drops to a warm bath, or use them for a calming massage. The soothing scent of coconut oil combined with the rich texture of castor oil feels like a luxurious treat for your senses. So, there you have it. Castor oil and coconut oil aren't just ingredients. They're tools for transformation. Whether it's glowing skin, luscious hair, or overall wellness, these oils have got you covered. But now it's your turn. Have you tried any of these tips? Or maybe you have your own secret recipe using these oils? Share your stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 20 life-changing health benefits of baking soda and castor oil.